Pack an evacuation backpack. With it, you can evacuate in seconds when the sirens go off. These are the things that should be inside. Start with the most important: documents. Equally important are medications. First, pack those you take regularly. Also bring painkillers and anti-inflammatory medicine. Place bandages, band-aids, and tampons in your backpack. A charged power bank is essential. It'll be crucial when your phone battery dies. Next, pack a set of underwear. It doesn't take much space, but adds a lot of comfort. Include a notepad and a pencil. A cutlery set and food container will let you eat comfortably and hygienically. Add a thermal blanket. It will keep you warm or cool you down, depending on the need. Include wet wipes for basic hygiene. In the second compartment, pack food, canned goods, and long shelf life items that don't require refrigeration. Also throw in sweet snacks. They can quickly boost your glucose levels. In a smaller pocket, pack duct tape, string, and a knife. You might need to start a fire, so also include matches and a lighter. Don't forget a watch. It helps you keep track of time during an evacuation. And finally, one of the most important items: water. Always have some in your backpack. Preparing an evacuation backpack shows responsibility. While the idea of packing one may seem unsettling, having this kit ready is always a smart move.